Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical outdoor fire pit table Propane, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose outdoor fire pit table Propane, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best outdoor fire pit table Propane from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. UMAX 44 in Outdoor Propane Gas Fire Pit Table. Experience the perfect blend of elegance and functionality with the UMAX 44 in Outdoor Propane Gas Fire Pit Table. Featuring a CSA-approved design for safety and clean burning, this fire pit creates a smokeless and ashless ambience, ideal for cozy outdoor gatherings. Crafted with durable materials like weather-resistant P-rattan and powder-coated aluminum, this fire pit offers impressive strength and longevity. The sleek and modern design complements any outdoor space, while the 50,000 BTU heat output ensures ample warmth on chilly evenings. With easy assembly and comprehensive warranty coverage, including 12 months of protection and professional after-sales service, you can enjoy worry-free relaxation by the fire. Whether hosting gatherings or simply unwinding outdoors, this fire pit table elevates your outdoor living experience with its superior quality and aesthetic appeal. Number 2. Xbeauty Fire Pit Propane Gas Outdoor Fire Pit Table. Enhance your outdoor living space with the versatile Xbeauty Fire Pit Propane Gas Outdoor Fire Pit Table. This 2-in-1 table serves as both a stylish dining table and a cozy fire pit, perfect for year-round enjoyment. Crafted from durable pure iron with a sleek rattan stripe design, it provides a healthy and smoke-free environment for your gatherings. Safety is paramount with ETL and CSA certifications, ensuring worry-free operation. With a heat output of 50,000 BTU, this fire pit table delivers ample warmth for cool evenings, while its suitable size and classic design complement any outdoor setting. The package includes essential accessories like a burner lid, tempered glass wind guard, and glass stones, making setup a breeze. Elevate your outdoor gatherings with the Xbeauty Fire Pit Table, where convenience, warmth, and safety converge for unforgettable moments under the stars. Number 3. SereneLife Outdoor Propane Fire Pit Table. Elevate your outdoor gatherings with a SereneLife Outdoor Propane Fire Pit Table. This versatile table doubles as a cozy fire pit in winter and a functional table in summer, creating an elegant ambience in any outdoor space. With a heat output of 50,000 BTU, it provides ample warmth while using liquid propane fuel for clean combustion, ensuring no ash or smoke to protect both your health and the environment. The concealed propane tank cleverly hides away, while the sturdy construction featuring a black tempered glass tabletop and all-weather resistant P-rattan ensures durability. Assembly is a breeze with 2 persons, taking only 20-30 minutes. The table comes with essential accessories like a stainless steel burner, tempered glass wind guard, and 15 pounds Arctic ice glass rock set. Whether it's a cozy evening under the stars or a lively outdoor gathering, the SereneLife Fire Pit Table sets the stage for memorable moments year-round. Number 4. Rattaner Wicker Gas Fire Pit Outdoor Fire Pit Table. Enhance your outdoor gatherings with the Rattaner Wicker Gas Fire Pit Outdoor Fire Pit Table. With a powerful 60,000 BTU output, this fire pit table, when equipped with a standard 20 pounds propane tank extra purchase, creates a warm and inviting atmosphere for various outdoor parties. Crafted with steel refractory burners, a wood grain marble tabletop, and handwoven half-moon HDPE wicker, it boasts durability and a blend of classical and modern aesthetics. Safety is paramount, with strict safety testing ensuring confidence in usage, while the included fire pit cover offers added protection when not in use. Versatile in function, it transitions seamlessly from a cozy fire pit to a functional coffee table by simply closing the fire lid and surrounding the tabletop. Assembly is smooth and hassle-free, with clear instructions and all necessary hardware provided. Elevate your outdoor living experience with this stylish and versatile gas fire pit table from Rattaner. Number 5. Elementi Granville Fire Pit Bundle Outdoor Fire Pit Table. Elevate your outdoor entertainment with the Elementi Granville Fire Pit Bundle. This all-inclusive set features a stunning 60-inch natural gas fire pit crafted from high-performance cast concrete. With a 16-gauge stainless steel burner ring and pan, it produces a cozy heat output of 45,000 BTUs and features an electric ignition for effortless starting. Safety is assured with CSA and C certifications, along with an auto safety shut-off feature. The bundle includes essential accessories like a tempered glass windscreen, stainless steel cover, canvas cover, lava rocks, and a rubber floor mat for added protection. Create a delightful ambience with dancing flames against the lava rocks and glass wind guard, while enjoying chilled drinks from the complimentary Sol Living Ice Bucket. With premium materials, durability, and style, this fire pit bundle enhances your patio or backyard ambience for unforgettable gatherings. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.